Hi friends! Today we're learning the alphabet letters from A to Z. Wow, look at these eggs! 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs. This egg is colored green. Maybe it has one of the letters. Nothing. This egg is colored orange. Let's see inside. Oh no, nothing. And this egg is colored yellow. Wait a minute, I think there's something inside. Yes, it's the letter A. A for apple. Where should I put it? Yes, right here. Great job. Look, everything is colored blue. Did you see the letter B? This one is number 3. And this one is a triangle. This one is a rectangle. Oh, I think I see the letter B. It's right here. B for ball. Where should I put it? That's right, next to letter A. Wow, a red truck. Maybe it has one of the letters. Do you see any letter? Yes, it's the letter C. It's C for cat. And let's put it right here. Great job! Oh, everything is colored green this time. Can you find the letter D? This one is the number 5. Oh look, this is the crescent shape. I think I found the letter D. Letter D for dog. And let's put it right here. Hooray! Look! An old busy book. It's got buckles, gears, clock, look, it's a pocket. Maybe there's a letter inside. Oh, nothing. Maybe we can unbutton this orange jacket. Look, it's the letter E for eggs. Hooray! And it goes right here. Wow, more eggs. Let's see inside the orange egg. Nothing. How about the yellow egg? Nothing. What about the purple egg? Look, it's the letter F. F for fish. It goes right here. Great job. Look, there are 2 colors. Let's separate them. This one is yellow and this one is green. Can you see the letter G? There it is, the letter G for grapes. Where should I put it? Yes, right here. Great job. Look, a red motorbike. It's carrying our letter H. H for house. And it goes right here. Hooray! Oh, the eggs are in half. And this egg has the heart shape. Let's find a match. And let's put them together. This one has the star shape. Let's put them together. And this egg has the flower shape. Oh, look at this! It's the letter I for ice cream. And it goes right here. Great job! 2 purple eggs. Nothing. Look, this one has the letter J for jelly, wiggly jelly, and it goes right here. Look, the 5 truck is bringing our next letter, the letter K for kite, and it goes right here. Hooray! Hello, officer. You got our letter L for lemon. Thank you, officer. And let's put it right here. Mango, nest, onion. Mango starts with the letter M. Should I put it here? Yes, great job. And the nest starts with the letter M. And it goes right next to the letter M. And onion starts with the letter O. And it goes right here. Great job! Let's separate the 2 colors. This is orange and this is red. And I see the letter P for piano. And let's put it right here. Hooray! 2 yellow eggs. There's nothing in this one. But there's something in this one. It's the letter Q for quilt. 2 orange eggs. Oh, there's something here. It's a flower shape with the number 8. But that's not a letter. And this one has the letter R for roses. Great job! Sock, tomato, umbrella. The sock starts with the letter S. Where should I put it? Right here. And tomato starts with the letter T. And it goes right here next to letter S. And umbrella starts with the letter U. And it goes right here. Hooray! Wow! A red and yellow race cars. And the red race car has the letter V for violin. The yellow race car has the W for whale. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Nothing. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Nothing. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. The letter X for xylophone. Where should I put it? Right here. Let's put the purple ones on the side. Look, it's a square with number 10 and a diamond with number 4. But where is our letter? Right here. Y for yo-yo. And it goes right here. Great job! Wow, everything is color red. Can you find our last letter? The last letter is the letter Z. You found it! Z for zipper. Great job! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hooray! See you on the next one.